also gonna hydrate and protect his paws with Musher Secret. We do sell this on our website at k9company.com. So it's a nice hydrating balm that you put on the paw pads that helps protect them from the elements during the colder months and helps relieve any cracked or dry paws. You can apply it. You can either take some off, depending on the size of the dog's paw, put it on your hands, and just moisturize it right into the paw pad. Make sure you get all the little toe beans. Or you could just take your dog's paw and put it directly on.